In this video, we're going to learn how to fix login error in Netflix. First, if you're having any problems with the application, make sure that the device is connected to a secure internet connection. Swipe down on the control center and simply tap on your Wi-Fi to turn on Wi-Fi and to connect to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be having any problem regarding your internet connection. However, if you're still facing any other kinds of problem with the application, like with your logins, simply go to your settings and you want to scroll down and click on General and click on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and you want to navigate yourself to the Netflix application. Click on Show All and it will show all the applications on your device. Scroll down until you see the Netflix application. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and click on Reinstall Application. What this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you log into your application, you shouldn't be having any problem. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if you're still facing any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.